call on one of the members of the cast, Epi, to join me here. Epi, palakpakan po natin the Golay of the show.
Hello, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Thank you for being here with us. Nakaka-excite kasi i-stage natin ulit ang Katie the Musical that we have grown to love. Even as part of the cast, talagang nag-enjoy kami with performing. Of course, because of the response also of the people who came to watch us yung sa last namin sa CCP Little Theater. And we want to fulfill that promise kasi maraming hindi nakapanood ng mga tao. Sa kaibigan ko lang, ang dami nagsasabi na naghahanap ng tickets sa mga last few shows and talaga na sold out lahat ng mga shows. Kaya Spotlight Artist Center has promised to restage it, and finally matutuloy na siya this July 25. Nagkataon naman July 25, birthday pa ng ama ko, ng yumao kong ama. Ngayon ko lang din nalaman. Kaya nga natutuwa ako at ang restaging nga namin is July 25 until August 4. Ano yun? Piniplay yan? Sigaw mo na. Ganun din ako. May play daw sila ng video. Play na ba natin ang video? Sige, ito yung video nung teaser lang nung nangyari yung huling show namin. Ayan, ako na lang ang kakanta. Ayan. Andre. Pakikialam na ako. Ayan, okay. Of course, you can get the ticket at Ticket World 8919999. And of course, Katie is gusto ko lang pakilala rin yung kasama namin sa cast. Of course, nandyan of course, who plays Katie, si Miss Isay Alvarez Sena. Yan ang mga ate namin dyan. She plays Katie. And of course, we have Dulce, who plays Olivia. Azel Santos, who plays the young teenage Katie. Si Gian ng Magdangal as Piping. Of course, Lou Veloso as the director. We have Pierce Cruz III as the tatay. And then we have Trisha Jimenez as Hannah San, Celine Fabie as Patsy Pachochay, CJ Mangahis as Mary Walter, and of course may mga ensemble namin sila Carlon Matomato, si Aaron Choaching, si Lito Cipriano, and many more. At siyempre ako I play Golay, or I play the young Dolphy nung panahon nila Katie, nung panahon na yon. So sana po maimbitahan po natin, maimbitahan namin kayo at tulungan nyo kami mag-imbita sa restaging po ng Katie, the musical, sa August 4, July 25 to August 4. And syempre meron kami, bago kami magpatikim ng konting musical ng Katie ngayong araw na to, syempre gusto ko lang din pasalamatan si Ginoong Ryan Ebiag for creating the beautiful music of Katie the Musical. At of course si Direk Jose Javier Reyes for writing a beautiful stage play. Diba? At bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko rin acknowledge ang presence ng aming direktor at naging mentor. Walang iba kundi si Direk Nestor Torre. Thank you.
Hindi! Hoy! Anong ginagawa? Akin yan. Ako ang director dito! Ha? Kanta! Ano ko sinasabi mo?